Welcome! Today I'll show you this bag with sequins. We made round base and then when crocheting we add the sequins, and after 16 centimeters we stop the putting sequins and we'll crochet only our macrame yarn. And I made a cord. This is big enough inside, and if you like you can add crochet cord or this metallic handle. Let's see how to make. For this bag we will use this macrame yarn. It's not thick, it's thin. And we will use a 3mm crochet hook and some sequins with a large hole in it. Let's begin. We'll begin with the magic ring, 1 chain and 6 single crochet in it. 3, 4, 5 and 6. We will tighten our row, our circle, and then insert your hook in the first stitch here to join the row with slip stitch. And 1 chain, 2 single crochet in each stitch. Now we have, let's count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will join our row, 1 chain, and we'll make 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 1, 2, we will work 1, 2, 1 single crochet, 2 in the second, 1 single crochet, 2 in the second, 1, 2 in the second. So we'll work 1, 2, 1, 2. Here we have 1, and we'll make now 2, 1 and 2. We are at the end of the row. We will join our row with slip stitch, 1 chain, and then here 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet in the third one, 1 single crochet, 1 and 2 in the third. We'll keep going all around with this way. We'll increase the 1 single crochet. We crochet 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, then 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, and we will increase the 1 crochets. We have 1 in the second, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have made 11 rows and my base is 7 inches, 14 centimeters. It's enough for me, and I'll join my row now. I'll insert my hook from the back side to the front, and I'll take my loop, pull through to the back here, and then from this loop I'll insert my hook and pull through my stitch and one chain, and we'll make single crochet at the back loop. Here we will begin single crochet at the back loop, not from here together, just the back one. Here, not from here, but here. We'll continue this row with this way. Now we will join our row with slip stitch, and then we will make 2 rows of single crochet. Here we turning row, and 2 more rows with single crochet. I have changed my hook to 350, and we will join our row with slip stitch, one chain, single crochet in the same stitch, and now we will add our sequins. Single crochet here. We will make 2 single crochet, and then we will add the sequin. Insert your hook both from the sequin and the stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, 2 single crochet, here, insert your hook both to the sequin and the stitch, pull through and pull through, 2 single crochet, take another one here, insert your hook both from the sequin and stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. We'll keep doing this all around. I'm at the end of the row. As you see, I made 2 single crochet here, and I'll add my sequin here. And then we'll join our row with slip stitch. One chain, single crochet at the same, and now we will add our sequin on the right from there. We'll add our sequin, and then 2 single crochet without, and now here we'll add the sequin. 2 without, and we will add 1 here. We will keep going all around. Now we are at the end of the row again. We'll make a slip stitch to join our row. One chain, and we will add our sequin here, and then we will look at the right and the left side of the previous sequin. We will make single crochet, 1 and 2, and then we will add the sequin. If you are confused, we will look at this and we will make single crochet right and left, right and the left sequin, and we'll add a new one. We'll do the same all around until we reach the height we need for our bag. I have made 16 centimeters, 8 inches with sequins. Now I'll continue for a couple of rows with single crochet. We'll join our row here with slip stitch, 1 chain and single crochet in the same stitch, and then we will continue with the single crochet all around for a couple of rows like this. Our bag has almost finished. We have made 10 rounds with single crochet only. I made a cord and I think it's nice enough. And we will add this handle. If you like, you can make from cord on yourself. Thank you for watching. See you at the next video. Bye.